Chemical-based treatments for flea prevention may have potential risks and side effects, so natural solutions like essential oils are a safer alternative. Essential oils are a natural and potent way to repel fleas without causing discomfort or side effects for pets. Lavender oil is a safe and fragrant solution for repelling fleas on both dogs and cats. Peppermint oil is highly effective in repelling fleas and can be used on both dogs and cats. Eucalyptus oil is a natural and effective choice for flea control, but caution should be used around cats. Lemongrass oil is a citrusy and refreshing flea repellent for dogs and cats. Cedarwood oil can create a natural barrier against fleas and is safe for dogs, but caution should be used for cats. Tea tree oil may have potential flea-repelling properties, but it should never be used on cats due to potential toxicity. Coconut oil is a safe and effective essential oil for fleas and ticks on pets. Rosemary oil is a herbal approach to flea prevention and is safe for dogs, but caution should be used for cats. Essential oils can be used on pets by diluting them with water, spot testing on their skin, or using diffusers or flea collars. Consistency is key in using essential oils for flea prevention to keep pets comfortable and flea-free. Using essential oils for flea prevention ensures the well-being of pets and provides them with a safe and happy environment. Some essential oils can be harmful to pets, so it is important to consult with a veterinarian before using them. Certain essential oils, like cedarwood, lavender, and lemongrass, are known to repel ticks as well as fleas. Mixing essential oils can enhance their flea-repelling properties, but it should be done with caution and proper dilution. Essential oils should be used carefully on pets, especially cats, as they can be more sensitive to certain oils. The frequency of applying essential oils to pets varies and should be determined based on the type of oil and the individual pet's needs. It is best to consult with a veterinarian for guidance.